Have a good day. I go to explain how to measure voltage with a multimeter and the materials and tools are a multimeter, digital or analog two test leads generally gener, generally gener, generally one red and one black. The circuit or component where you want to measure the voltage. Well, first step, the multimeter is turned on. Then the voltage measurement function is select. It should be considered whether the measurement will be with direct current or alternating current. Subsequently, the black test lead is connected to COM, also known as common, is connected, and the red test lead is connected to the B or input connector. Ready. After that, the black test lead is placed on the neutral of circuit neutral and the rest test lead on the phase or positive of the circuit. And finally, the voltage data is observed. In this, this is 115.6. Thank you very much.